Today is March 22nd, and we have 4 days until Pacie's 7th birthday. So she's got here her other different types of Ryans that she got out of blind bags and stuff. So she wanted to share with her Pacers.
This is a plushie.
Yeah, that one's cute. I like that one.
Guess what? This is his twin brother.
Ooh, ooh.
Red Titan!
Yes. Alrighty, are you ready to open your one prize for today?
Yeah, before we open one, can I just show you something?
Sure.
This one almost looks like Alabama.
Yes, it
Because
does.
she's an astronaut.
That's awesome. Alrighty, Pacie, let's get opening.
This is a scuba diver, Ryan.
Just one today, baby.
One, okay. Can I open this one?
Sure.
Okay, what's this? OMG!
What? Hold him up. Hold him up. Is that Hawaii?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. Put him down.
We got Hawaii. We got Hawaii.
Oh my gosh, this looks like so cute.
Yeah,
I
because-
love it.
Yeah, because it has a red. I don't know which is my mommy's favorite color.
Yes, red is Mommy's favorite color. Here, Pacie. Is there anything else you want to tell your viewers before we go?
Guys, you forgot little Sheldon here.
And you got a little Sheldon there? Cool. Oh,
All
alrighty, friends.
Before I leave, can I just say something, guys?
Sure.
Did you know when I watched Ryan's YouTube channel, there was like bath bombs that has keychains inside, and one of them is Sheldon and Ryan,
Cool.
and Peck, and Gus, and all those other friends.
That's awesome.
Thank you everyone watching my video. Bye bye. Just says like and subscribe. Click the bell, please. Rush out of the way.